hayi power papa into ezincane sobuya next season.
Bafethu ngithanda ukubonga kumabhakaneya yabona ngidliwe mara ngiyabonga ispirit samabhakaneya ispirit anaso. What we did today bafethu sidlalile blind akho abantu abangabuya from 3-0 baze baluze kuma penalty ipenalty noma bangathatha iBarcelona bayilethe la singayishanga ama penalty 2 chances bafethu no ulona umbuthumo kumista kwakhe penalty asingamgive pheli noma uMessi noma uRonaldo uyayimista penalty sidlalile and then ngisaphinda futhi ngithi attendance yethu bafethu mayihlali nje na Wednesday singapheli imoya sibe sila Wednesday sisupporta amabhakaniya ukuthi siqhubeke nge-black label sithathe yona spirit sethu sikwazi ukubuya back sikwazi nokuthi kuligi siqaleni kahle siqhubeke sibe grand. And then one another thing engithanda ukuyisho kuma supporter wonke last nje njengoba ngirenga nawe ngila akhumbula last ngirenga sicethe ukushayela 1-0 kwaba nebhare ezikhuthuzayo zathatha ifone lento le ngicela iphela and it's not for the first time yabo ngibuka by phone it's not for the first time abantu bakhala ngokulonela amafoni asekeni lento le sizela ngokubukela ibhola because umuntu wakhona masizomthola yabona ukuthi izobe ebuhlungu kanjani bayithola bhakaniya okay asibukelene ebholweni amajita adlalile bafethu I'm proud of amabhakaniya ngihappy ngiyabona udliwe ube happy I've lost ukuthi ngithathe istar ses2 but ngizobuya next season because ngizobe ileague ngizoyithatha ne-Nedbank ne-black label ne-league ezethu lezo i-MTN sengithathile amakhapa ayi-4 this season ngizobe ngiwathathile istar masambe simphumuze namajita khona ukubuya nama-injury abanawo amajita abo Mfukengi abo lona ama-injury wethu abhaya. It's a blessing in disguise ukuthi siphume istar sizosithola and la South Africa yithi club yokuqala ezofaka istar ses2 I understand and ngisasho ngithi sasa olamthuthu bazosilandela olamthuthu bazophuma nge1-1 bahambe shaya umoya is either Sundowns ngaqhubeka siqhubeke silone yona but nayo istar ses2 sothathwa ibhakaniya kuqala because nesokuqala yithi savula indlela ukuthi thatha istar sokuqala. So bafethu asibeni happy mabhakaniya ngisayiphinda ngithi siluzile kuma penalty but I'm proud bhakaniya for life.